The St. Thomas Aquinas product, Phillip Dorsett.
They call him PD2. Number 4, Canes for life.
Deep ball, got him! Touchdown Dorsett!
Rolling right side, everybody's going deep. He's in trouble. In the throw, that receiver coming back, he doesn't see him. Instead, throws it deep down the field for Dorsett. He's got it! At the 10, at the 5, touchdown! Phillip Dorsett from Stephen Morris. With 19 seconds to go, 63 yards, a moment of magic.
Catch by Dorsett, dives for the end zone, and he is in. Touchdown.
Morris is protected, throws, end zone, Dorsett, he got it! Touchdown! Stephen Morris to Phillip Dorsett.
On 2nd and 6, Morris over the middle, going up to haul it in is Phillip Dorsett. What a catch there by the sophomore. Drive Morris, and look at their zone. He may have 6 right away with that 4-4 speed. There is number 4, and that's a touchdown.
I'm not a selfish player. I like to see other people excel. And if I know I can get a good block for somebody else to score, it feels like I scored too.
Beautiful kick will drive Dorsett to the 20. Dorsett finds a sideline. He's got room. Dorsett to midfield in a hurry. He's gonna go! Phillip Dorsett takes it the distance. Morris facing a blitz. Complete. First down and room to run for Phillip Dorsett. Dorsett's got a step! Morris, deep ball over the middle. Oh! First down Miami and Dorsett. Another huge play. Looks downfield, lets one go deep. He has a guy. And that's caught for Miami. First down. And Phillip Dorsett with another huge play for the Canes.
Third down conversions. This is Johnson inside, touchdown.
Phillip Dorsett gets a good block.
I hope there's a day when we are all as unselfish as Phillip was on that play.